Right on the side of the road, we got our first lobster. So Al, you should be able to get your hands under the back of it and just wiggle it till it comes out. Oh, Lord. That is fantastic. Hey, good morning. Thanks for joining. Welcome to the channel. Allie and I are out in Oregon Coast Range hunting for some early fall mushrooms. We're on the hunt for some lobsters, chanterelles, maybe even some chicken in the woods and hedgehogs. We've been driving down this dirt road for the last hour and a half looking for the right elevation, some kind of moisture, anything good. And we finally got to about 1,400 feet. And off the side of the road, we found our first lobster. So we're going to have an awesome hunt today. We're going to find lots of mushrooms, and we're going to take them home and make some really good lobster mushroom soup. So let's get on with a good, safe hunt. Let's go. So we found our first lobster mushroom. I think we found our first 2 or 3 actually. Check out where the car's parked. We kind of drove along here. We found just this bright orange glaring thing at us. And so I said, hey, let's stop and get out. So Allie and I jumped out of the car. Let's go take a look what Allie's got over here. How's it feel? Does it feel firm?
Yeah, it feels nice and firm.
Any smell?
Smells like lobster.
Oh, dang, that is awesome. Awesome, Al. So what you want to do with that thing? Has there any dirt on the bottom?
A little tiny bit.
Okay, well, we'll cut that off, but that is a beautiful, big lobster. So well done, Al.
Thank you.
Let's package that sucker up and see what else we got. So check out this beauty that Allie just found. The thing about lobster mushrooms is it's one of the easiest mushrooms to identify. I mean, this thing is unmistakable. And the smell, it has a little bit of a seafoody kind of smell. It smells fresh. It shouldn't smell bad, but they're nice and firm. And this bright orange, it's actually a Russula mushroom that gets parasitized by the mycelium from this lobster mushroom, and it biologically transforms it into this beautiful alienish looking animal, this beautiful lobster mushroom. But it's one of my favorites. It's so versatile. You can make anything from mushroom soup to lobster cakes to just fry them up, delicious. But they are one of my favorites to hunt and eat, and when you get into them, you can find a lot of them. So find your spots. Like I said, we are probably a mile in from the coast right now. We're at 1,400 feet in the Coast Range in Oregon, and we finally found the patch. We've been driving and driving and driving, and we finally got into them. So I'm going to look around and see what else we could find. I think Al found another one. Let me see what it looks like, Al. Where is it in its natural state? Oh, that's a beauty. Look at that mushroom.
Yeah, there's another one there, but I think it's been eaten.
Maybe. We probably want to pull it.
Okay.
But go ahead. Get your hands under there. Pop it up. Turn it over. Oh. That's like the Olympic torch. You could do the Statue of Liberty with that thing. Well done. We are making lobster bisque tonight.
Ooh, that smells really good.
Well done, Al. So get this one out. Get underneath it. Get your hand.
Oh no.
Has it already been picked?
It's.
No, move it. See if it's already. No, it hasn't been picked.
No, it's
but
not,
I can see there's
good.
bugs on it.
Yeah.
So this is the type of mushroom you don't want to get when they have a lot of flies and bugs on them, and they're not this brilliant orange. But I bet you if we keep walking along this road right here, we're going to find some more. So let's do that. So let's talk about where we're going to find these mushrooms. So right now we're at the Coast Range. We're hunting between now at 500 feet all the way up to 1,500 feet. Pine forest. You can see the ground around me here. It's got some Oregon grape, it's got some salal, it's got some sorrel, but mostly pine forest, lots of ferns, and we're basically hunting the edges of the road, and that's typically where I find them. So right now we've come all the way down to about 500 feet. We thought we were out of the range, of the lobsters, but we just found a whole bunch of them. There's probably half a dozen of them. So when you're looking for these things, it's really important to look for any kind of moisture, look for the moss, look for the pine trees, and really keep your eyes open as you're driving along the road. It's not like morels that these things are camouflage. They are pretty obvious. So I think I also see a couple of russulas. So we'll see if we find the original mushroom, how these lobsters start out before they get parasitized. So we got back in the car. We drove down another, I don't know, half mile or so. And I saw something out of the corner of my eye, and I think it's going to be another lobster. So let's go check it out. Saw something sticking out. Oh, it is another lobster. Check it out. Look at this guy right here. There he is. Look at that beauty. See all the mycelium and the spores? This one's already dropped his spores. He feels a little spongy. Yeah, you can feel him. He's not firm. He's definitely a little spongy. If we were to cut this guy, I'm sure he's full of wormholes. And anytime they've already dropped their spores, oh yeah, I could see bugs and larvae in there. So we're just going to leave him where he is. But hold on. See this shrimp right here? Let's see if there's... Nope. False alarm. Okay. So we stopped off at the side of the road again for some more visual on the lobsters. Al, come and check this one out. Beautiful lobster right here. Get underneath it. Oh, this is a nice young one. Pretty awesome. And you know when I say, if you find a mushroom, stop and look around. There's another one right here. Did you even see this one, Al? Did you see this one?
I did.
Look at this guy. Another beauty. What a beauty. Look at these. Whew. These are perfect. Oh, this one is so tight and dark. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is what we're looking for, guys. Lobster mushrooms. August, Oregon. Awesome. Go ahead, Al. What, you found some more?
Well, you spotted this one from the car.
Oh, wait. Who spotted that one?
But you didn't spot
that's a king
this
daddy.
one under here.
Look at that one. What a beast. Look at that guy. So we're wrapping up. We had an awesome day hunting for lobsters in the Coast Range in Oregon here. We're really close to the beach, and we finally found a couple of places that had moisture, and the lobsters were fruity. So Allie found a few, I found a few. We got enough to take home and make some good lobster bisque later on tonight. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, tell your friends, subscribe, and we look forward to hunting with you in the next adventure. Thanks for joining.